Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Hey.
We are back.
Welcome
back to another mukbang, everybody. And today with a new pod, we are making new recipes. We made new recipes.
Yes, and we are doing the review on a HAWAIJAR movie today.
Today itself.
Yeah, so stay tuned, huh?
So, here, baby.
Oh, yeah, look at the pot, huh?
This is a new pot, you guys. Our lamb biryani. Not lamb biryani, mutton biryani.
Mutton.
I don't know how it's gonna turn out. From up top, it looks beautiful.
So you've seen the cooking process, yeah? Now, let's see.
It looks pretty.
Smells pretty, baby.
Ooh.
It's melted.
No, I add some potato, baby. Here,
of course you did.
Yeah, but I didn't record it. Sorry, you guys. I have to add potato. You guys know that we love potato.
Give me that
we
rice.
love potato.
Give me that rice, baby. Because I think it's going to be so awesome. Rice now.
Yeah. I will eat this one.
Yes. Oh, look at you.
Our meat is like the most
Good.
Soft part. That's what you said, honey.
It's a loin.
Tender part.
It's loin.
It's a loin.
Loin. Yeah, and I was very, very, very lucky to find it, like, because
We don't find here every day.
usually what they do, there is like one big chain market like Univer Export, whatever. No commercials. So they're like having these cuts of meat, but this meat came out today, and I found the last piece. So they were like just
really?
when it comes, they're just grabbing it, baby.
While I was cooking the meat, it was a little bit burned down, so the smell is a little bit different. And we have this new pot, you know.
And we have this salad.
We have a lot of people requesting for this dish.
We have this salad that goes with it.
Yeah, that's like raita, but not really raita. It's like yogurt.
Oh.
Yogurt dressing salad.
Mm.
So yeah, every time we eat, we make curry, we're gonna eat with this. We're gonna cook with this. Eat with this.
Yeah.
Ha 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 ha. Having said that, before I start eating, I want to say something to most of you. This is not a English grammar teaching channel, so
Relax, huh?
relax. Okay? English is not our first language. It's other people's language.
In our case, it's our love language.
Yeah. So remember that. You guys telling me like, oh, your accent is this, your English is this, your grammar is that. I don't really give a darn thing about how I speak my English. To be honest with you. No, I don't.
That's good. Hanban.
Is it good?
Let me tell you something. This is amazing.
Hey, slow down, okay?
I'm just waiting. No. I'm just waiting for the meat to cool down a little bit. So, long awaited. We're gonna talk about the HAWAIJAR movie, yeah?
AXONE.
So, please leave the comment below if you watched the movie and what do you think about it. But let me give you my take. Yeah? The foreigner of the movie, yeah? The foreigner. So,
Foreigner's opinion.
foreigner's opinion, yeah.
Oh Lord, this
So-
is hot, honey.
Yeah?
I think it was cooked on fire.
Might be. In an earth pot. The movie is amazing, okay? It's really good. I love it. I love the plot. I love the story. I love the actress. Really, really good. And
Actors and actress.
actress, like
Actors.
actors, yeah?
In plural,
Sorry.
yeah.
My actors in plural are the female actors. But
Really?
no, but that's how I said it. Yeah, actress. But the movie is amazing. Guys, like the
Okay,
Maybe
it's
we-
really hot.
yeah, it's really hot. Maybe we do some spoilers, but let me tell you. Let me tell you something, eh? So, me being married to my beautiful wife from Northeast, she'll be always telling me, like, you know, when we do this, blah, blah, blah.
The culture differences.
This situation happened, and now that I saw it in the movie, it makes me much closer to the whole thing, you know. So that's a hit, because now I know how it looks like. I've seen only the stories. Now I know how it looks like, and the whole racial bias in between and everything is like so well put there and balanced,
On both sides.
so you can show you the both sides of the story. And I watch these American movies, I watch these
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. I watched down this Bengali South Indian movies.
That one.
I watched a lot of movies, but this is the first movie that's northeastern cast. You know, it's really good, and then it showed like the diversity of languages. You know, when they are when they are calling like to find the place.
That was very emotional for me.
It was really cool. I love the movie. Thumbs up for the movie. Thumbs up for the cast, for the director, for the extras, for the catering. Whoever made the catering. Now, mutton. Baby mutton is coming.
Eat the mutton, please.
I'm just waiting to cool down. Babes.
It's good, eh?
Wow.
A bit burned though, honey.
Yeah, but tastes so awesome. Wow. I think this was fresh.
Which one? The meat? I can tell.
I need
Unlike
more,
the beef and all.
I need more rice.
Go. Devour, baby. And this yogurt, put it on your rice, baby.
I will.
It's awesome.
Oh my god, baby, this is a hit. You know?
And the basmati rice that we're using here, honey, this is not even close.
Yeah, I can imagine, baby. Can you imagine? If we get here in Serbia all the ingredients, that would be so awesome. But, unfortunately, we are struggling to find all of these things.
Yeah.
But
we got it.
But, you know what? Movie is great. Movie is great. And the last thing I'm gonna say is, you know, even though I tried AXONE.
You tried AXONE. You did, baby.
I tried. You're gonna see the link upstairs when we tried AXONE. But, and through my eyes, like through the eyes of a Serbian guy that lives here, I don't see what's a big deal with smell. Because, you know, here also people cook like really, really smelly food sometimes, you know, and nobody complains. So, I think it's something else, not to smell.
It's all about adjusting to everybody's culture. Like for example, my people going to the city and they cannot eat the curry like me for a long time. So then we learn to adopt, you know?
Oh, you need to. Listen, guys, it's always like that, you know? If you come to somebody's house, you need to adapt. If they come to your house, they need to adapt. It's a normal thing, you know?
But in India, it's like it's your country itself. You know what I mean?
I know. But you come from another city to another city, you know? You need to conform to their roots.
I really love that movie. And kudos to that director to make such a movie.
This time.
With such boldness.
In these times. It's really nice. I mean,
even though his movie is a small budget movie, he has the balls to take it to the mainstream media.
Yeah.
Because until now, I don't know about you guys. Maybe there is. For me, I don't see anybody like the superstars or the celebrity of India, Bollywood talking about our place. Like you know, because people listen to them.
Mm.
You know,
Yes.
we were spat on, called coronavirus and all this stuff, and
Yes.
I haven't seen anybody yet. So I'm really proud of what he does. Forget about their accent or how they speak and all those things. It's the first movie, you guys. Give it a break.
Not give it a break. Give it a big support, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Don't just give it a break. Give it a big support. Even if you are like, this is immature. No, it's really good. Trust me. From a standpoint of a foreigner, like for your culture foreigner, well, I'm not the full foreigner, but it was very informative for me. I understand a lot of things now.
Yeah. Remember when you were at the workplace and then one of this guy, the guy from Mumbai, the officers, he's an officer, yeah? He told you that Naga people are very violent?
Yeah.
First of all, he don't really know how to differentiate between the Northeastern and the Naga people. Second of all, he must have heard something about Nagas like being a headhunter or something like that.
Alice.
Okay.
Alice. We Serbians are also in the media portrayed like a really bad people. But look at me. I'm really a nice guy. Anyway, yeah, at least a little bit of attention is turned toward the Northeast and their struggle. So
we've been struggling with this like forever, but one of the public figures needs to speak up, you know?
You need to call some public figures also to come there and teach them about your cause. You know? They need to understand also, and only then they can advocate for you.
Maybe they need to rewrite the history.
Well, hardly gonna happen, but not like this. I mean, not in a heartbeat.
We've been talking about this like for ages, baby.
Yeah. I mean,
the first time I went to Mumbai, people asked me, "Where are you from?" I said, "I'm from Manipur." And where is that? All the time. At first, I find it a little bit interesting, you know? Like I like to tell the stories of my people. But then later on, it was kind of annoying.
Like me telling stories about Siberia.
Siberia in Serbia?
Yeah.
Same goes when you go to international. They were like, "You don't look like Indian." How Indians supposed to look like? I have no idea.
Well,
You don't sound Indian.
ignorant people will be ignorant people all the time.
How are Indians supposed to sound like? This is how I learn my English. This is how I learn how to speak. So
No, they expect that, for example, all the people from India are the same, all the people from China are the same, all the people from America are the same, all the people from Russia are the same. It's a big country, you know? Like, it cannot be. I'm just saying.
lack of education, I think, honey.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
And ignorance. You know, if you meet somebody new and he tells you, "Oh, I'm from India," for example, and looks different than you expected, I would go, "Oh, really? So they're like different people, like
Interesting,
different
yeah?
looking people there. Whoa, tell me more." You know? Expand my views.
This is going to garbage.
I think so.
You have so much to eat here.
Help me out.
Oh, still hot, baby.
I know. Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
I'm so full, honey.
I'm so full.
I think I took too much rice.
But it's good, baby. This mutton.
Finally, biryani khaya aaj. बिरयानी बनाया.
Sorry for that, guys. Anyway.
Anyway, I love the honey movie.
Yeah, at the end, we love it too. Like
We were laughing.
both of us are loving it. It's good. If you didn't watch it, go watch it.
Please do.
Support
Support our
the
people.
people. It's really important that you support something like that.
And even if you see any flaws, remember this is the first time ever movies made about Northeast Indians.
Yeah, and their struggle. So
They made the Bengali girl. I think she's Bengali, eh?
I don't know.
The one who said like, speak a loud lady.
Speak a loud lady.
They made her as
Nepali.
an Indian Nepali girl.
Yeah.
So some people have problem with her accent, but
Come on.
guys, come on,
Yeah.
give it a break, okay?
It's okay. It tells a story. It's important. The story is important. Don't look at the details. Oh, you know what?
What?
If you don't like the movie and you think you can do better, go for it.
Yeah, always.
We would like to see, like everybody would like to see something better all the time.
Whatever my people are doing, we're here to support.
Wow.
Wowie, wow, wow. This sounds like Borat.
No, wow, wow, wow.
Wowie, wow, wow. Very nice. Okay, I'm so full. I'm trying to finish my plate.
Me too.
That's the wrong way to say it. I'm trying to finish my plate, you see? You grammar police. You guys, if you don't understand my English, let me know.
Okay, let's go. Time for shoutouts. The sponsor of the shoutouts is Watermelon. First shoutout is for Melody BB2. Please shout out for me, Melody Laudhrieptu. Sorry.
Just say lal.
Laudhriepui. Coming 21st June, my birthday. Happy belated birthday.
Belated happy birthday, Mel.
I hope you have you had a good one.
Many more to come.
Next one is Sujan Glam. He's an addict. He says he's addicting of watching our mukbangs. Thank you for that. Happy to watching while I'm having food and watched all your mukbangs many times. Very much influenced and to try to learn a lot of recipes, and it's amazing. It's pretty good to see both of you. One question: do you miss home, sis? Shout out my name, Sujan Lam. Question
Hi,
for you.
Sujan Lam. I miss home so much. If you ever see me in mukbang or vlog a little bit down, that means I was missing home too much that I cannot function.
And I cannot help, unfortunately. Anyway, next one. Thank you, Sujang. Next one is Langchong Gang Mei. Sis and bro, very healthy food. Looks yummy as always. Sis, shout out my name on 23rd of June. It's my birthday. It's gonna be belated, yeah? It's gonna be belated birthday.
Happy
I hope you
birthday.
had a good birthday. Happy birthday.
Really?
Sorry. Happy birthday. I'm celebrating what? Next one is Daisy. Watching from India. Have always been watching you two. Amazing people, amazing food. Love it. Shout out to me. Shout out to you, Daisy. Thank you for watching us.
Thank you, everybody.
Ajit Moirangtem. Hi ma'am, I had asked one question but still not given reply. Why reason?
Why reason?
Yes. So
Wow, that's
I found your question and sorry we didn't answer it, but you ask where to go
What's
to
the
ship.
question?
He wants to go to the ship. I don't think it's a really good time now, but anyway.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Anyway, you can always find, I think in Mumbai there is some agencies that are doing ships.
There's agency everywhere now. Online, Mumbai, Delhi. There's nothing we can do to help, but you can always go to the agency and
agencies
in
and
Mumbai there is like agency like rice.
yeah, a lot of them.
Yeah.
But be prepared for the lengthy process of like, and now with all of these traveling bans and stuff, who knows what's gonna happen? So maybe you should look at that sometimes in future.
If you're lucky, you're gonna get recruited right away, but just expect that the time is gonna be like very long, waiting time.
Very, very long. So I hope that answers your question, Ajit. Next one is Kikano Seb, our beloved subscriber.
Thank you.
Hi, Apei, gang. What's going on there? Gang. Great news, finally. I have started my YouTube channel, so my humble request is to please can you guys shout out to my new channel on your next video, The Food Hunter TV. Me and my team will be very grateful for you guys. Thank you. Well, shout out to your new channel, my new channel, The Food Hunter. I watched a little bit of videos and I like how you have this Derek Schaefer thingies, there.
You did?
I know who you're watching. I'm watching the same things,
Who is Derek Schaefer?
It's some YouTube guy who is making videos, commercials and stuff like that, yeah. Actually, he's not a YouTube guy, but he's a video guy.
Okay.
But nice work. I like it, and
Keep it up.
Please keep it up, yeah.
Just continue doing what you're
Guys,
doing.
check it out. It's The Food Hunter TV. It has really good content.
If you want people to follow you, then keep on pushing it. And there's lots of guys like, hey sis, I'm just gonna start a new video. Any suggestions? Any ideas? The main, one of the most important things that I want to say is like when you record yourself, like when you're with a regular camera, everybody turn on, what do you call that, viewfinder, or what do you call this?
Screen that you're watching, monitor.
Towards you, so that you can see how it looks like. So when you turn on the screens, you are filming yourself. Remember to look into the lens, not at the screen to yourself, because when you film like that, you look like you're just talking to yourself or somebody else instead of connecting with your viewers.
Yes, definitely.
That's very important, because I've seen a lot of 100,000 subscribers also still do that, So remember that one. That's very important, because you have to connect with your viewers.
Good advice, baby. I like it. Anyway, next shout out. Good luck with your channel, eh? And,
good luck. Keep it up. Subscribe to him, you guys. Check him out.
And next one is Ozzy Raumai. I'm regular watching a mukbang video. I'm from Manipur, stay in Bangalore. Please shout out my name in your next mukbang. Ozzy Raumai.
Yame or Raumai?
Raumai.
Okay, that's it.
That's it, baby. Now, what do you have?
Thanks for watching, everybody. And I have here from Instagram Claudia Keishing.
Claudia, hi.
Yeah. Hi, Claudia.
Hi, Claudia.
I think it's Tanko. In your next mukbang video, please shout out for my cousins Lironmi and Rinpumi.
Rinpumi and Linronmi.
That's not Tanko, sorry. They're in quarantine. I like to cheer them up in this way. We'll be so thankful. So cousin of Claudia.
Quarantine.
Claudia Lironmi and Rinpumi.
Olironi
Hey
Olimpumi.
guys, I'm sure you guys are having fun, yeah, in quarantine these days. And one more shout out to Mushumi Zinkai.
Mashuin Zinkai.
Mushumi Zinkai. I will leave his YouTube link down below. He's also a YouTuber from Tanko. He's also in the quarantine. So please check him out.
Lots of people in quarantine, huh? And that's it, yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
Good, guys. Thank you.
Close the shop, honey.
Thank you for watching. I hope you like our review of a horror movie. It's not a review, but it's just our thoughts. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this new earth pot that we have in this biryani.
Still hot.
Check the recipe. And don't worry about our English, and we don't worry about your English. So
learn the language of your state and your country, and
as long as we understand each other and we are full of love and understanding, everything is gonna be fine. So check out the links below, and check out our store, Instagram, Facebook. Check out our My Life in Serbia vlog. There's some videos.
Check out our life.
Check yourself.
Saying
check yourself before you wreck yourself. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. And see you soon. Bye.
Bye. See you next mukbang. Thanks for watching.